What's up guys, السلام عليكم في قصة جديدة. هذه القصة حول جو وكيف تمكن من أن يصبح نجم سينمائي ومن أشهر النجوم السينمائية في العالم. هي قصة خيالية. الغرض كما تعرفون هو أن نتعلم الكثير من الكلمات والكثير من الجمل باللغة الإنجليزية. القصة حدثت في الماضي، سنتحدث في الماضي. By the way, the story by A.J. Power English. وكما العادة لا تركز مع القواعد، لا تركز مع الكلمات، لا تركز مع معنى الكلمات والجمل أو شيء من هذا القبيل. المطلوب منك فقط هو الاستماع إلى القصة والاستمتاع بها. إن لم تفهم المرة الأولى لا بأس، أعيد القصة مرات عديدة وستفهم بإذن الله. والكلمات الصعبة التي لم تستطع أن تعرف معناها يمكنك ترجمتها، لكن لا تترجم كل الكلمات، كلمة كلمتين 3 كلمات على الأكثر. Are you ready? Let's go. So, there was a guy named Joe. Joe wanted to be a famous movie star. Who wants to be a famous movie star? Yes, Joe. Joe wanted to be a famous movie star. Was he a movie star? No, he was not a movie star, but he wanted to be a famous movie star. What did Joe want to be? A movie star, yes, perfect. Joe wanted to be a movie star. Did he want to be a TV star? No, not a TV star. He wanted to be a movie star. What kind of star did he want to be? A movie star, yes, perfect. He wanted to be a movie star. So, first, he decided to get thin. He needed a good body. He stopped eating dairy products. What kind of products did he stop eating? Dairy products, yes. He stopped eating dairy products. Did he stop eating cheese? Yes, he stopped eating cheese. Did he stop drinking milk? Yes, he stopped drinking milk. He stopped drinking and eating dairy products. Who stopped eating dairy products? Who? Joe, yes. Joe stopped eating and drinking dairy products. What kind of products? Dairy products, yes. Next, he decided no more consumption of sugar and fat. He said, I won't consume sugar and fat anymore. What did he stop? Yes, he stopped all consumption of sugar and fat. Did he eat sugar and fat anymore? No, he stopped all consumption of sugar and fat. Who stopped all consumption of sugar and fat? Who? Joe, yes, perfect. Joe stopped all consumption of sugar and fat. He stopped all consumption of what? Yes, of sugar and fat. He stopped all consumption of sugar and fat. Why? Why? Yes, because he wanted to be a movie star. He wanted to have a thin body, okay? A thin body. Movie stars are usually thin. So he stopped eating dairy products. He stopped consuming fat and sugar. Next, he studied famous movie stars. He studied them very carefully. What did they look like? What did they do? And he saw a correlation between being a movie star and having a big teeth. Ah, that's strange. Did he find a connection between big teeth and movie stars? Yes, he found a correlation between them. He found most movie stars have big teeth. Interesting. He saw a correlation between what? Yes, he saw a correlation between having a big teeth and movie stars. A correlation, a connection. Who saw a correlation between big teeth and movie stars? Who? Yes, Joe. Joe saw a correlation, a connection between big teeth and movie stars. What did he find? What did he see? Yes, he saw a correlation, a connection between having a big teeth and being a movie star. Did Joe naturally, genetically, have small or big teeth? Well, unfortunately, Joe had very small teeth. In fact, Joe had small, little, tiny teeth. Not big, no, small teeth. Small. Genetically, did he have little, tiny teeth or a big teeth? Yes, he had small, tiny, little teeth. Joe's father had small teeth, and Joe's mother had little small teeth. All his brothers had little small teeth, and Joe had little small teeth. It was genetic. Genetically, he had big teeth or small teeth. Yes, genetically, he had small, a little, tiny teeth. Was it genetic or was it behavior that caused his small teeth? Well, genetics. It was connected to biology, connected to his family. It was genetic. What was the correlation he found? Yes, he found a correlation between having a big teeth and being a movie star. They are connected. Connected. He thought, oh no, to be a movie star, I must have big teeth, but mine are small. He had problems. So he went to the hospital and he talked to a doctor. He said, "Doctor, I need big teeth. Look at my teeth. They are tiny. I'll never be a movie star." The doctor said, "I'm sorry, I can't help you. You need to see a dentist, a special dentist." And so Joe went to a dentist who made a big teeth. And he said to the dentist, "Please help me. I want to be a movie star. But there's a correlation, a connection between being a movie star and having a big teeth. I have to have a big teeth." And the dentist said, "No problem." And so Joe had an operation. Why did Joe have an operation? Perfect, to have big teeth. He wanted a big teeth. So Joe had the operation and it was successful. After the operation, Joe had a big, huge, whopping teeth. And he became a famous movie star. In fact, 1 year later, he was the most famous movie star in the United States. That is the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed the story. If you enjoyed, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment as well. That helped me a lot. That's all. See you.